Hi, my name is Brandon, and this is my assistant, who's also Brandon. Today we're going to be working on phonological awareness. And for this activity, you want students to match pictures with the same initial sound while playing a domino game. So first you want to start by scattering out your domino pieces on a flat surface. Next, taking turns, student 1 places the start domino on a flat surface, names the picture on the other side of the domino, and says its initial sound. So in this case, you have a plant. Plant. So next you want to look for the domino that matches that sound. So we will look for pig. Pig. Next, you want to have student 2 to name the picture on the other side of the domino and say its initial sound, and find the domino with the matching sound. Name the picture and say its initial sound, and then connect the dominoes. Continue until all the dominoes are connected. So Brandon, I have started. I have plant, plant. I've connected that to pig, pig. So you'll go next.
6.
Okay, so what will you match that with?
Sun.
Okay.
Sun.
All right. So next we have dress. 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 So I will match that with duck. Duck. Brandon, it's your turn.
Brush. Brush. Bell.
Say it louder.
Bell. Bell.
Good job. So next we have inch. Inch. And we will match that with igloo. 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 Brandon, it's your turn.
10. 10. 10.
Good job.